Yo, what is up, guys? It is CRPHD back with another video, and today, given away by the title, obviously, we're going to be playing some Animal Crossing. I'm going to be giving you guys my house tour, the whole shebang. But just starting off, I wanted to show you guys my little private section of my island. This is kind of where I come to relax, go fishing, things like that. Got my palm trees, got some beach chairs out, if I ever have company over, which I don't really ever have company over. But yeah, I know some people in their Animal Crossing homes have like, little kind of squared off section, just like the rest of the neighbors. Me, I got a huge chunk of land. I like needed all the space. And you guys will see why shortly, but I have this front little entrance, front walkway. And then this is where you will be greeted. Little check-in desk if I ever have any friends, family, any visitors, mom. Over here, I have my Rolls Royce, one black, one white, because why not? On this side, I have my little fountain, some flowers, all the statues and things that I've collected over the countless hours that I have played this game. Countless days now, probably. So, over here, this is just kind of a little bit like of a workstation, storage area, just where I keep a whole bunch of extra stuff that, whether it's furniture or oh wait, I didn't mean to put anything back, but whether it's furniture, just items that I've collected, it pretty much just goes in here. And this, I believe, is attached to my house storage. So like if I just want to get something out, like I have a lot of stuff in here, from chairs, couches, stools, tables, lights, appliances, like way too much stuff. I honestly need to clean it out, like TVs, lots of stuff, guys. Now, this took a long time to get exactly how I wanted, and this is the part why I said I needed a lot of land, because I wanted to get this waterfall directly in front of the house, if I can get there. And bada bing bada bam, here's my home. And then over here, this little patio space, I have some more chairs, obviously. And then this is the killer thing. Boom! Lake, ocean, whatever you want to call it. Animal Crossing has, those shooting stars, so just being able to come out here and just get a nice clean screenshot or like a screen recording of whenever the shooting stars come by. That's pretty much what this is for, but just great for show as well. Mailbox, and a little grilling station if you ever just want to, whip up a little dish, whatever it may be. I left the lights on just because I feel like it looked more presentable, from the outside, because on Animal Crossing, if you don't have like any lights on, then the lights go off, at least for the house. If you play Animal Crossing, you know what I'm talking about. But enough talk, let's go inside. I was pretty much going for like a more modern look, if that makes sense, but also penthouse views, penthouse vibes, if that makes sense. And you guys will see in a second. My living room, just to start off, I have my octopus over here in the corner. His name is Jeffrey. He's just chilling right next to my, oh my goodness, my computer. I have some plaques over there on the wall, as you guys can see. I also have my big piano, and I think that's a violin. I honestly just got it because it was white and it looked really nice and fancy. But wait, let me cut off the lights real quick. This is why it looks so much better, just as far as like the color and the contrast. I really feel like it makes like the whites pop. But yeah, plenty of space. I really tried to be as creative as I could and make it like as realistic as I could. I feel like I'm missing some stuff though. Oh, my paintings, yeah, they are definitely all real. Mona Lisa. I'm not really too sure what this other one is called, but it looks nice, so figured why not. I guess we can start with the kitchen. Let's go ahead and do that. Boom. But this is my kitchen. Was mainly going for something a little bit more subtle, which is why I kind of opted in for more darker colored kitchen appliances just felt a little bit more sleeker as far as in the kitchen, in my opinion, goes. And then, like I said, you know, you can just chill with your homies, watch some TV, just have a good time. But it's not my favorite room, but you know, it's okay. I think I did a good job. Let me know down in the comments below. The next room, I guess we can go to the bathroom. I am actually very proud of the bathroom. I just feel like I did a pretty good job making it like really modern but fancy. Especially just going for like the penthouse views, like I said. Like, come on, you cannot tell me that this isn't clean. What? With the jacuzzi, the TV right next to it. And then, of course, you know, got the washer dryer combo over here, black and white. Only right way to do it. Got some magazines over there in the corner. Got the scale if I ever need to, you know, like check my weight. The dual sinks, like, guys, come on now. And then just having the white tile to the nice soft carpet. And I know what people are going to say, carpet in a bathroom. These are removable. You can wash them if you need to. Super dope and super stoked with the way this came out. Let's go downstairs. Now, this is like a little bit of a hybrid room, fun room, a little bit of everything going on down here. As you guys can see, we got the movie theater / gaming room / movie theater / gaming room. And then same pretty much theme going along, just, you know, penthouse views. This is just pretty much, you know, a little hangout spot where you can play some games, some foosball, some pool, watch a movie, get some good views. Just once again, super stoked with how this came out. And then if like people owe me money, you know, they can just scoot their way right over here to this ATM and, you know, get to work. I don't know if I want to keep it. I think it looks cool, but I feel like, you know, maybe some more inspiration might strike another day. But this is probably what it's going to stick with, at least in the meanwhile. But for my room, why not? This is one that I'm super proud of. Master bedroom. It's really spacious too. That's another thing that I like about this room. Spacious, you know, got the little light baby blue going on, you know, for the channel colors, obviously, of course. You know, I had to add a rock climbing wall into the room just for the fun of it. My little record player. Then I have my mantis shrimp. I haven't named him yet, but I have one. And then I also have, what is this, a lionfish that I caught a while back. This was like one of the first fish that I ever caught in the game too, so pretty proud of that. Once again, just modern, clean, sort of. Not really for this room. This is more of just like kind of fun, funky, but still modern in the way. Like, none of this stuff looks like old or like, you know, more or like gives off antique vibes. So I feel like I did a good job. I definitely want to get some more pictures though to hang on the wall. Got some more art pieces, as you guys can see, and I don't know what the name of these art pieces are, but I definitely will tell you that they are real. They are 100% real. I don't buy none of that fake art. I know some of y'all out there do. It's real. To the last room of the house. And this is, like I said, the one that I'm pretty proud of. A little at-home studio. I didn't want to make the bedroom the studio just because I felt like it was too much and that it would take up too much space, if that makes sense. And then I would also be left with a small bedroom. Like, imagine trying to put all that stuff that I put in the master bedroom in here. But like I said, between my bedroom and this room, I personally couldn't really make a choice. And then if I ever have company over, they can, you know, pop a squat, watch me work the magic. And remember, nothing is permanent in this house. Especially, I'll give an update, I guess, in the island tour video, just kind of like if I made any changes to the house. But for the most part, like I said, this is kind of what I was going for and what you guys should expect even the next time. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'm super glad I got to get this, you know, piece of content out to you. I've been wanting to do it for a while, finally got it done. That is the Animal Crossing house tour. Island tour coming soon, and any updates will be in the island tour, or any updates to the house will be in the island tour. So thank you guys for watching. Be sure and stay tuned because the next video is right around the corner. Peace.